Accessorize for success. Elevate your professional style with essential tips. Welcome back, viewers. If you've just joined us, we're diving deep into the world of professional accessories, helping you elevate your style and make a lasting impression in the workplace. Let's explore some accessorizing tips to take your professional look to the next level. First up, for the gentleman out there, a well-chosen wristwatch can be the ultimate statement piece. A classic timepiece not only adds a touch of sophistication to your outfit but also speaks volumes about your punctuality and attention to detail. Opt for a timeless design that complements your personal style, whether it's a sleek leather band or a stainless steel bracelet. Ladies, let's talk about the power of a statement necklace. A carefully selected necklace can transform a simple blouse or dress into a chic and polished ensemble. Consider choosing a piece that reflects your personality while maintaining a professional flair. Bold yet tasteful, a statement necklace can be the focal point that ties your entire look together. Now, for both men and women, the significance of a quality handbag cannot be overstated. A well-organized and stylish bag not only complements your outfit but also reflects your organizational skills. Invest in a versatile, high-quality bag that accommodates your daily essentials while exuding professionalism. Remember, a well-chosen handbag is not just an accessory, it's a functional tool that enhances your overall image. Gentlemen, let's not forget the impact of a well-matched tie and pocket square. These small details can make a big difference in your overall appearance. Choose colors and patterns that harmonize with your outfit, showcasing your attention to detail and fashion sensibility. A well-tied tie and coordinated pocket square can elevate even the most straightforward suit, giving you that extra edge in the professional arena. Now, let's talk about the often overlooked accessory, belts. For both men and women, a well-crafted belt is a subtle yet impactful way to pull your outfit together. Match the color of your belt to your shoes for a polished appearance, and consider investing in a few quality pieces in different styles to diversify your wardrobe. As we wrap up this segment on accessorizing for success, remember that the key is to strike a balance. Your accessories should enhance your professional image without overshadowing your skills and capabilities. Whether it's a tie, watch, handbag, or belt, each accessory contributes to the overall narrative of your personal brand. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more style tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay stylish and accessorize for success.